Hi, this is Dr. Wooten. In this lecture and demonstrative series, I will cover an introduction to analysis using the statistical platform R. Primarily written using the computer language S, most of the system in R is written using an R dialect of S, making it easier for users to follow the algorithmic choices. A free statistical programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics, R is an open-source programming language supported by the R Foundation for Statistical Computing. R is a library of GUIs that implement a wide variety of statistical and graphical techniques. The GUI RStudio includes linear and nonlinear modeling, classical statistical tests, time series analysis, classifications, and clustering. Another GUI used for data mining is called Rattle.